In this video, we will just demonstrate how to utilize some of the customizable control buttons after they are configured. Remember, the first thing you will need to do each time you start the machine is to unlock the side controls on the console as well as the hydro handle. Close out of the controls setup. In this example, we have the 1 and 2 buttons set up for both feeder house and platform adjustments. In this example, we have number 2 set up for our fore-aft platform tilt. As you can see, I can adjust that simply holding the button. And as you can see the head in the background, you can see the head is tilting forward. You can see the reference number at the top of the screen. Once done, let go, and the window shade at the top will disappear. I also have number 1 set up to adjust my draper belt speed. So I can simply use 1 to both increase and decrease the speed going through the field if I want to make an adjustment. Though difficult to see, on the back side of the hydro handle, there is a scroll wheel that you can utilize with your thumb. We are currently set up to scroll through run pages utilizing the scroll wheel. As you can see, I can quickly go through my run pages without having to take my hand off of the hydro handle, which is very convenient. Another great feature is the ability to not only scroll, but to push in on the scroll wheel to close out active windows. For example, if I go to menu, go to maintenance, and start editing, it takes several button presses to get back to the run page. A much easier and quicker way to get back to the run page, I can simply push in on the scroll wheel and it will close out any active windows. So this will allow me to cancel warnings and get out of windows without having to take my hand off the hydro handle, so I continue to monitor the combine and make adjustments.